Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Still demoing? Oh, very good. Still demoing? Can I get in?
Yeah, door handle broke, so.
I understand.
Give me 1 second.
You're good. $6.15's fourth order. Subs inverted.
Yeah, I'm good.
Wow. I remember this last year.
Yeah,
this thing's a lot.
This is it used to be blue.
Oh, you color? Okay, yeah. What subs are these?
Those were the custom built subs. If you remember the candy van back in the day, they came out of that van.
Okay.
Hey, I got a pair of vice grips if you want me to use it to hold that back dingo.
Is it sinking again? Yeah, if you
I
want.
use the vice grips for my back window. I can use it, just gotta give it back.
Yeah, that's fine.
How much power's on this?
I'm running 3 MD8Ks.
8Ks, okay.
I clamp about 17,000.
Okay, wow. Did you ever meter it?
Yeah, the best I've got out at the windshield was a 59.3.
Okay.
But obviously weather takes a big effect with that.
Yes, sir. Okay. How about your electrical? Battery power or alternator?
135 amp hour C-Max.
Okay.
One CES 370 amp alternator.
Yep.
That's pretty much it.
All right. I love to hear it.
partner sipping lean and do them pills all night. I like to smoke all. I like to smoke all.
50, like 51,
51? Okay.
I peak at 57.
57? Okay. Do you like a high peak? Do you like that tuning? You do? Yeah. Squeeze people. Woo.
Yeah, it plays a little bit of everything,
Yes, sir.
but I mean, 57 is where it hurts people.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem.
Nice to meet you again.
Same here.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.